Does this stuff work with a stick welder? Let's find out. Alright, you're watching another episode of DPV Bench Racing. Today we're going to see if this stuff works with stick welding. Welding Anti-Spatter. Last week I was watching an episode of Dirt Lifestyle, and Nate had some excellent welding tips on how to make your welds look cleaner. And one of the welding tips was using anti-spatter spray. And I asked the question, hey, does that stuff work with a stick welder? After asking the question, I was like, well, there's really no reason why it shouldn't work. But nonetheless, went on to his Amazon store, bought some of this stuff, and we're going to try it out. Alright, so we're going to be using 6013 rod. Some people call it farmer's rod because this stuff will burn through just about anything. So, you know, farmers bring their stick welder out on the field or whatever to make repairs, and you wouldn't have to hardly clean the dirt or rust off it at all. This stuff just burns right through. But it's one of the messiest rods around. Like, it throws all kinds of spatter. So we're gonna start with the messiest rod that I have. Can't find my dang slag hammer, so using the cat's paw. So I don't know if you can see that, but little bits of splatter around there, but it kind of rubs off fairly easy. With no wire wheel at all. Now we'll go ahead and try it over here with the spray. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a lot less spatter right next to the weld. And next to the weld here, it's pretty rough. Again, I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera or not. Let's run the wire wheel on it and see how it looks. This was without the spatter spray, with the spatter spray. So it's marginally better. I'm not thinking this test would fully shows the benefits. Doing a big project, I could see how this would decrease a lot of cleanup. You know, just compounding all the welds you'd be doing on a bumper or whatnot, but not just welding on a piece of scrap. Added together, this could really cut down on the cleanup, which speed up your build time, less frustration, and a better looking product. All right, so now let's try out the 7018 rod. All right, let's try it over here with the spatter spray. Looks like I need a little more heat, but I think it definitely makes a difference. It might be more of a difference on the 7018 rod. There's hardly any cleanup to do on this one. There's lots of cleanup to do on this one. Let's hit it with the wire wheel. I didn't have to clean up this side as much, but this side cleaned up really well. The area I'd see the most benefit for the anti-spatter spray would be like in those spots where you can't get your wire wheel. Sometimes there's little corners and whatnot that you just simply can't get a grinder in there to clean it up, and the anti-spatter spray I think would really help keep those areas nice and clean. I want to say thanks to Nate for those welding tips. I'll definitely be using those on my build. If you haven't checked out Nate's channel, he made the full leap into full-time YouTube, and he's got some awesome fabrication skills. that he's just sharing with the world. So if you want some tips for fabbing and Jeep and whatnot, go check out Nate's channel. I'll link it down in the description below. Thank you for watching my video. Hope you like this. I'm going to try to keep up with this DPV bench racing series every Wednesday, and then we'll have some bonus build videos along the way. If you have any other stick welding tips, let me know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe.